Hey everybody, this is Sean with ProSymmetry, and in this video we're going to talk about using template data in existing projects. Why is this useful? So you have templates in Tempest, but you created a project and now you want to use those template data. How did that happen? Well, maybe you created a project without much info in it, maybe as sort of like a shell project before you knew much about the project. Or maybe the project came over through integration with Salesforce or Workday or SAP or some other enterprise system, and now you need to build out the scope, preferably using data from your templates. This is where Tempest offers some really cool options. So let's mock this up. So let's first go to our project management screen, and let's create just a regular project. So let's assume someone asked us, hey, spin up a project to do something. So we'll literally call this do something, doesn't matter. And I create it. I haven't done anything or put anything in. But this is also something that could come across through an integration, maybe with some attributes filled out. At this point, though, we're saying, well, I had all that template information. I'd really like to use it. But again, maybe I put in some base data, or maybe this came over with identity information or ID data from some other enterprise system, and I don't want to mess up the integration. So how can I take advantage of data from my templates? Do I have to manually put it back in? The answer is no. In Tempest, using this option here, import from template, I can now leverage data from my templates to insert data from one or multiple templates over time. So imagine if I now wanted to insert data from the CRM template we've been working with in these template videos, or maybe an implementation project, or really doesn't matter, whatever those templates are. And in this case, I can do this in any of the screens that I have access to, and I can choose which template I want to pull from. In this case, maybe we'll use, again, that CRM implementation project. And perhaps I want to bring over the milestones, the financials, the team, the allocation data, or maybe just the attributes. Okay, so we're on the milestones page, and let's maybe insert the milestones from Product Launch USA, and we'll choose the milestones, and we'll hit Apply. That now inserts all the milestones from that particular template. And now let's say we want to add the milestones maybe from that CRM project or CRM template as well. So we'll now choose that template. We'll choose the milestones from that template, and we'll hit Apply. Perfect. So now what I've done is I've merged together data from two separate templates to effectively build out the scope, or in this case, the milestones for this particular project. And you could now extend this functionality into the allocations, the financials, the attributes, and other areas of the project. You're likely to do this type of additive stuff in milestones, financials, and in the allocations grid, but there certainly are other scenarios where this can apply. So I hope you found this useful. Again, Tempest offers some really unique capabilities around working with templates, both for creating new projects and, of course, using those template data in existing projects. Thanks again for watching. To learn more or get access to a free trial, join us at prosymmetry.com.